welcome to the shop. Today we have a 2011 Mercedes-Benz, and we're gonna restore some headlights on it. Headlights can get expensive, but if you know how to restore them, you can get them, or if you have a body shop that can restore them for you, it can sometimes be the right way to go. Okay, and I'm going to show y'all a little closer. You can see they're just weathered. They're yellow. They're dingy. You can see that one. You can see they're not in good shape. Okay, we'll get them fixed up. Okay, so we want to tape it up around the paint just to be sure that we don't accidentally get on the paint and do any scratching on it. Okay, so we got it all taped up where we protected the paint. So now we'll just take some 320 grit sandpaper, and we'll use a soft block, and we'll wet it, and then we're just going to sand it. Y'all in and let you see how it's turning out. Okay, so we're getting the colored off. Down in here, it's grooves and indentation, but it's not yellow. So I think we'll be okay just sanding this out, just so some clear can adhere to it. So we're going to leave those alone for now. Okay, we're going to start on this one. Just going to do the same process. Wet it. We got some 300 grit sandpaper. I'm just going to start sanding it all off. You can see. Change my direction some. that's how it's looking. Okay, and on the Mercedes, this part is a headlight. So you have to sand it too. I may have to move that. It'd be better just to put that up. Okay. Actually need a little pad. Okay, I got a little block I'll go get to do this lower part right in here, because you don't want to try to get on that paint. Okay, so I went and got the block we use. It's just a little square block. I can get right up to the edge. And right down to the bottom here. Okay, and we'll just do that same thing to this side. This side's got to be done too, because it's a headlight. I'm just going to use the block on it besides the pad. This seems like it worked a lot better. Okay, now we're going to be switching to some 600 sandpaper. We're just going to be going over our 320 scratches. Okay, let me finish this one up and I'll be right back with you. Okay, so now we're going to take some 2000 sandpaper and we're just going to finish sanding on out. Make sure we get it wet. And we're going to sand both all 4 lights again. And this time we'll be using this 2000. Here's where you can kind of start seeing it clearing up. You see there, start seeing the scratches are disappearing. It's starting to clear up. Okay, let me finish this and I'll get back. Okay, now we're just gonna 2000 this side. And you kind of see it clearing up now. See there. Okay, and then we have these two little lights. I've got these to do. I didn't tape these up, so I have to be super careful. Okay, and you can see how clear they're coming. They're getting ready to be done. I'm getting all the scratches out. Okay, I'll get back with you. Okay, remember how I told you these were grooved and we were going to come back to those? We're just going to take some 2000, turn it on its edge, and just sand in there. Just sand in there the best we can just to get it to scratch. And we'll do that same thing on the other side. I'll let you see how it's looking. Okay, and now we'll test it. Because that's about what it'll look like with clear on it. Alright, looks like this one's finished up and it's a wrap, and I'll be back with you when he's painting it. Oh yeah, we make it. More than you think on there. Okay, we're just going to wipe it down with some 91% alcohol.
going to be using Pure Reflections. Mixes 2-to-1 with a medium activator. This is a hard clear. It's super hard when it dries.
Okay, and this is the next day. We did let these dry. We did let the clear dry overnight. So what do y'all think? Leave us a comment. Let us know what you think about it. We'd also like to thank all our subscribers and all the ones watching too. We appreciate you. Thanks for watching.